Hey, it's Ask Misty Monday. It's my favorite day of the week. It's the day where we get to answer questions from you. We get our questions from the comment section down below, so make sure you leave us one for another Monday. We also get them from our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. My name is Misty, and I am a manifesting coach, and it is my goal to help you live a positive, abundant life. And so every week, someone reads the question, and this week it's Jill. So Jill, what kind of question do you have for us this week?
Let's see. Today's question is, with us now being in October and the holidays coming, it tends to be a time where we have to deal with stress. So what are some of the best ways to cope with stress?
With the stress. So you might not like my answer to this, and it is that I eliminated the holiday stress by eliminating a lot of things that over time became unnecessary to me. This probably will not work for a lot of people because I decided maybe 10 years ago that I was not going to do any more gift giving other than to my children or the immediate people who would be in my house on Christmas morning. And then I decided that the tradition of Christmas was the Christ child's birthday and that he received 3 gifts, and so no one here should be getting more than 3 gifts. So, and even now we've eliminated the actual gift and wrapping and moved on to just a little stocking, like tokens for that day, just so that we're still celebrating. We do celebrate with a beautiful dinner and some time together. That's very important to me, and we do a lot of things that lead up to the Christmas, like the 12 days of Christmas. We make sure that we're watching all the holiday movies, and we're going to watch Christmas lights, and we're doing things that is really more time together than it is spending and running around like a nut trying to find the perfect gift for someone who already has everything. So like I said, I don't know if that's going to work for you, but this is what a good friend of mine told me. I've said it 100 times that I have friends that are 20 to 25 years older than me, and I have a friend and she speaks in a Spanish accent, so I'm not going to try to duplicate that. But I remember probably 25 years ago, early on in my life, where I felt that pressure of having to do everything and decorate the whole house and write the Christmas cards and the presents and all that. And I was like, I have to get home to write these Christmas cards and get them in the mail today, or else they're not going to get there by Christmas. And she was like, you don't have to do anything you don't want to. And she has like this very direct way of talking. And so I was just like, oh, what do you mean I don't have to do that? Everybody does that. What about the people who've sent me cards? I at least have to send those people a card. And she was right. You don't have to do that. So my best piece of advice for anybody that's struggling specifically with that kind of guilt or stress is make yourself a list of the absolute priorities for you. Maybe Christmas cards and taking that photo every year is a priority for you. So just write it down and make sure that you're not doing anything above and beyond what you want to do. And don't be sorry about it. Don't apologize for not doing it. Don't apologize for not hosting the event anymore. Whatever it is that you want to cut out, make yourself a list and then decide that's what you're going to do, and give yourself permission to do that. Okay, so I hope that that was helpful to you. I know that that was probably some of the best advice that I ever received. It did take away all of that pressure and guilt, and so I hope that you can also use that too. So we're here every single day, and you can send us a question again. Don't forget to drop it in the comment section down below and hit that little bell. It'll let you know that our videos come out every day. They come out at 5:30 in the morning, and we can't wait to see you tomorrow. And until then, happy manifesting.